tutti, welcome back everybody! Today we are in the Arres kitchen of Ligure Mobili in Cereale and we're gonna prepare it a street food typical from Liguria, the farinata. The mix for the farinata is very simple. You just need the chickpeas flour that we're gonna mix it with water and salt.
So pile up in the truck, head on down to party up. Don't be shy, bring all your friends.
Once we combine all the ingredients, let's get to foamy, like this, I think, for 10-15 minutes before mix it.
Turn your headlights on, your radio up. Show me what you're made of. Turn your headlights on, your radio up. Show me what you're made of. Now listen up, throw your hands up. Shimmy to the right, clap your hands. Reach for the sky.
At this point, the mix is ready to go in the fridge to rest for at least 3 hours to a maximum of 12. While we are waiting, let's preparing the topping for our farinata. We're gonna do one classic with rosemary, one with Italian salsiccia, and one with onion.
Bar serving underneath the stars, pouring till the sun comes out. We've got no rules, hot dudes, a whole lot of attitude. You know what I'm talking about. Turn your headlights on, your radio up. Show me what you're made of. Turn your headlights on, your radio up. Show me what you're made of. Now listen up, throw your hands up. Shimmy to the right, clap your hands, reach for the sky, shuffle to the left, take 2 steps back, lean on forward and do the bending sound. Stomp your boots, kick up the dust, dip it down low, shake your bum. Now spin in place and touch the ground, saddle on up to do the hee-haw-ho down.
Everybody's getting down at the hold down. Raise 'em up, wave your hands all around.
It's a lasso fiasco, dancing on a backhoe. Bring it on back like an old town road. Billy Ray misunderstood, hanging out in Hollywood. Breaking Nicky heart, cause getting is good. Moonshine glowing, get the juices flowing. Don't know whether you're coming or going. Into all around, get loud, party hard, throw down. Saddle on up into the hee-haw-ho down.
Everybody's getting down at the hold down. Raise 'em up, wave your hands all around.
Dancing midnight, romancing, get on up, it's Friday night. We've got cold beer right here, ice down in a John Deere bucket, yeah, it's tasting just right. So pile up in the truck, head on down to party up. Don't be shy, bring all your friends. We've got a dance floor, say no more, drop it down into 4, meet us where the blacktop is. Turn your headlights on, your radio up. Show me what you're made of. Turn your headlights on, your radio up. Show me what you're made of. Now listen up, throw your hands up. an old town road. Billy Ray misunderstood, hanging out in Hollywood, breaking Nicky heart cause getting is good. Moonshine glowing, get the juices flowing. Don't know whether you're coming or going. Into all around, get loud, party hard, throw down, saddle on up into the hee-haw ho down.
Everybody's getting down.
To the hee-haw ho down.
Raise 'em up, wave your hands.
To the hee-haw ho down.
Everybody's getting down.
Yeah, to the hee-haw ho down.
Raise 'em up, wave your hands. Everybody's getting down at the hoedown. Raise 'em up, wave your hands all around.
The farinata is ready. Enjoy!
Dancing midnight romancing, get on up, it's Friday night. We've got cold beer right here, ice down in a John Deere bucket, yeah, it's tasting just right. So pile up in the truck, head on down to party up, don't be shy, bring all your friends.
So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it. And you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.